We are on our way. Second half of vacation.
No.
To Montauk. Yes.
No.
She's just sad because she doesn't like when vacation ends.
It's halfway over.
We'll have more later this year. So, welcome to Team Vicarious with Jeanne and Andy. We're on our way to Montauk, Long Island, and we have a great vacation planned. 4 days on Long Island on the beach. It'll be a blast. Lots of fun at night. Good party town. So we'll show you what it looks like when we get there. It'll take us about 3 hours to drive there from New Haven area.
Without traffic.
Without traffic. So ferry's not running this early. It's 4:13 a.m. And so we'll just drive there. We'll take the ferry on the way back on Sunday. So we'll see you all a little bit later. Bye.
Bye.